Hello there. Let's talk about apps. Apps are like little helpers on your phone. They can do all sorts of things. You can play games, check the weather, or even video chat with your grandkids. Don't be scared of apps. They are easy to use. With a few taps on your phone, you can download and use them in no time. This guide will show you how. It's like learning anything new. Remember when you first learned to use a TV remote? It probably seemed tricky at first, but now you can change channels and adjust the volume without a second thought. Apps are the same way. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at what you can do. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Apps can make your life easier and more fun. They are designed to simplify tasks and bring joy to your daily routine. They can help you stay connected with loved ones no matter where they are in the world. You can use apps to message your children and grandchildren instantly, sharing photos and updates. You can even see their faces while you talk, making conversations more personal and engaging. Apps can also help you stay organized, managing your daily tasks with ease. You can use apps to keep track of your appointments, ensuring you never miss an important date. You can set reminders for taking medication, helping you maintain your health and well-being. Some apps even help you find your phone if you misplace it, giving you peace of mind. If you enjoy reading, there are apps for that too. They offer a vast library of books at your fingertips. You can download books, magazines, and newspapers, making it easy to access your favorite reads anytime. You can adjust the font size to make it easier to read, catering to your comfort. No more struggling with tiny print. Enjoy reading without straining your eyes. These are just a few examples of what apps can do. The possibilities are endless. There are apps for almost everything, from hobbies to health and even learning new skills. So go ahead and explore the app stores. You might find something that perfectly fits your needs. You might be surprised at what you discover. Embrace the digital age and let apps become your new best friend. Think of the App Store as a giant library, but instead of books, it's full of apps. Your phone has a special store just for apps. On Android phones, it's called the Google Play Store. It looks like a colorful triangle. On iPhones, the App Store is simply called the App Store. It looks like a white A on a blue background. Tap on the icon to open the App Store. You might need to enter your password. This keeps your phone safe. Now you're ready to start browsing for apps. Now comes the fun part. Finding apps. At the top of the App Store, you'll see a search bar. It looks like a long rectangle. Tap on it and type in what you're looking for. Let's say you want an app for playing games. Just type in games and hit enter. You'll see a list of all the game apps available. You can also browse apps by category. Look for tabs that say categories or explore. Tap on a category that interests you. You'll find categories like health and fitness, news, and travel. Take your time and browse around. You're sure to find something that catches your eye. Downloading and installing. It's like magic. When you find an app you like, tap on it to learn more. You'll see screenshots of the app. These are like little previews. You'll also see a description of what the app does. If you decide you want to try it, look for a button that says Get, Download, or Install. Tap on it and the app will start downloading to your phone. You'll see a progress bar showing you how long it will take. Once the download is complete, the app will install automatically. This means it's ready to use. You'll see the app's icon appear on your home screen. Tap on it to open the app and start enjoying. Keeping your apps happy, updating, and uninstalling. In this section, we'll explore how to keep your apps running smoothly and what to do when you no longer need them. Just like you, apps need updates to stay healthy. Updates are like tune-ups for your car. They ensure everything is functioning correctly and efficiently. They make sure the app is running smoothly, fixing bugs, and improving performance. Updates also add new features and fix any problems that might have been discovered since the last version. Your phone will usually update apps automatically, which is convenient because it means you don't have to worry about doing it yourself, but you can also check for updates manually if you prefer to stay on top of things yourself. Open your App Store and look for a tab that says Updates. This is where you'll find a list of all the apps that have updates available. If you see any updates available, tap Update All to update all your apps at once. This ensures that all your apps are up to date with the latest features and fixes. Sometimes you might download an app and then decide you don't like it or no longer need it. That's okay. It's easy to remove apps you no longer use. Uninstalling apps you no longer use. This frees up space on your phone, which can be used for other important things like photos, videos, or new apps. To uninstall an app, find its icon on your home screen. This is usually where all your apps are located. Tap and hold the icon until it starts to wiggle. This indicates that the app is ready to be moved or deleted. You'll see a small X appear on the corner of the icon. This is the delete option. Tap the X and then confirm that you want to delete the app. This will remove the app from your phone, freeing up space and keeping your device organized. Organizing your apps. A place for everything. As you download more apps, your home screen can start to get cluttered. It's like having a messy desk. Folders can help you keep your apps organized. Think of them like drawers for your apps. To create a folder, tap and hold an app icon until it wiggles. Then drag the app icon on top of another app icon that you want to group it with. This will create a folder with both apps inside. You can give your folder a name, like games or utilities. You can also add more apps to a folder by dragging and dropping them. Folders make it easy to find the apps you need when you need them. Troubleshooting tips. You got this. Sometimes things don't go as planned. You might find yourself feeling frustrated or confused when your smartphone doesn't work the way you expect it to. You might have trouble downloading an app, or an app might freeze. Don't panic. These issues are common and can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. Here are a few tips to help you troubleshoot common issues. These tips are designed to make your experience smoother and less stressful. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for most smartphone functions. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues, and this can often fix minor glitches. Check for updates. Keeping your phone's software up to date ensures it runs smoothly. Make sure your phone's software and the app itself are up to date. Contact customer support. Updates often include fixes for known issues. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to the app developer or your phone carrier for help. They are there to assist you. Remember, learning something new takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself as you navigate through these challenges. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore. Trying out different features can help you become more comfortable with your device. The more you use your phone and its apps, the easier it will become. With time, you'll find that using your smartphone becomes second nature. Embrace the app venture. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this guide and are well on your way to becoming an app pro. Remember, there's a whole world of apps out there waiting to be discovered. From staying connected with loved ones to pursuing your passions, there's an app for everyone. Don't be afraid to explore and try new things. Embrace the app venture and discover the many ways apps can enrich your life.